Part 2, how to actually learn ancient survival skills. Number 10, train the freeze response. Before learning tools or navigation, train your panic override. Modern version, practice the box breathing technique Navy SEALs use. Inhale 4 seconds, hold 4 seconds. Exhale 4 seconds, hold 4 seconds, repeat 4 times. This resets the amygdala and returns blood flow to the decision-making part of your brain. Congratulations, you just learned the modern version of the ancient stop and think survival rule. Number 9, learn to build a fire without a lighter. You'll need 3 things: tinder, dry grass, bark, paper; kindling, thin sticks; fuel, bigger branches. Start small and build upward. The trick isn't strength, it's oxygen. Cup your hands and blow softly from the side. Practice making fire with a ferro rod, a bow drill, or flint and steel. Fire isn't magic, it's patience. Number 8, water finding and purifying. Ask yourself 3 questions. 1, where would animals go? Downhill, dense vegetation, insect activity. 2, can I collect rainwater or dew? Use fabric or leaves. 3, can I purify it? Boil 5 to 10 minutes. A life-saving modern trick. Use a piece of cloth to filter mud and debris before boiling. Ancient humans used woven grass for this. Number 7, learn a shelf of edible plants. Start with universal survival rules. Dandelion, leaves and roots edible everywhere. Pine needles, packed with vitamin C, boil as tea. Cattail root, a high-calorie starch source. Practice identifying plants at home or on walks. Knowledge is lightweight and always in your brain. Number 6, the shadow navigation test, only 5 minutes to learn. 1, stick in the ground. 2, mark shadow tip. 3, wait 10 to 15 minutes and mark second tip. 4, line through marks equals east-west. Practice this in your backyard or a park. Shocking how well it works. 5, primitive shelter. You only need 3 things: a leaning spine, fallen log or long branch; support ribs, angled sticks; insulation, leaves, grass, pine needles. The trick: insulate from below, not above. The ground steals heat 20 times faster than air. Number 4, animal alert system awareness training. Try this exercise. Sit outside silently for 5 minutes. Listen for birds going quiet, sudden wind changes, insects disappearing, distant water sounds. You're reactivating your ancient threat detection system. Something's screens have shut off. Number 3, cold response training. Instead of waiting for danger, teach your body to control shock. Start with 30 seconds cold water on wrists and neck daily. Work up to 60 to 90 seconds. This conditions blood vessel response and improves survival tolerance. Ancient warriors called this hardening the skin. Number 2, team survival practice shared tasks. 1 person gathers water, 1 builds shelter, 1 maintains fire, 1 scouts resources. Studies show coordinated teams survive 3 to 5 times longer than lone individuals. Survival isn't strength, it's division of labor. Number 1, the real modern test. Tomorrow, do this mini challenge for 2 hours. No phone, go outside, start a fire, or build a simple shelter frame. Track sky direction using your shadow. Sit in silence and observe nature's signals. If that feels uncomfortable, that's the point. Ancient survival begins when modern comfort ends.